hands together for none other than Mr. Nas, real estate guru, because he's not a guru in his trademark.
I had a 1.8 GPA in high school. So I'm one of those people, I went to high school to be cool, all right? Like I went there to best dress, make jokes, etc. Like that was my thing. However, I wanted to always go to college due to shows like A Different World, Saved by the Bell, College Years, etc. So it looked fun. I did my first wholesale deal in 2011. I've been doing this full-time ever since September 2012. We're gonna talk about wholesaling in 2024. So there's people that say, yo, the industry slowed up, etc. It's hard to get deals. I wanna talk about like actually closing deals in or around the major city. As long as you have the foundation to find motivated sellers, it does not matter the market, it does not matter the climate or anything else, you can get paid.